Hello everybody, how y'all doing today? My name is Nicholas and today's subject is I don't know if people understand what it is I'm trying to tell them with this concepts and methods and science and so forth. For example, this concept, this is literally a power plant. If you have a zinc wire, copper wire, and a bunch of potatoes, grapes, whatever, you have a biomechanical battery. So yes, I am suggesting the possibility of being able to possibly generate thousands of volts and thousands of amps of renewable clean energy that is good for the environment using this type of bio battery. It grows food. It generates electricity. It can be sculpted into architecture. That is what I want. That's what I'm sure. That's what everybody wants. We want food. We want shelter. We want electricity. So, and other things like, say, the architecture. I'm suggesting building architecture very fast. I mean, what if it was possible to make a foam bomb, a foam explosion? And pretty much it would be very expensive. You would need about $30,000-$40,000 worth of foam, binary liquid marine foam to make this type of foam architecture. It would be expensive, but the possibility of building instantaneous housing and shelter using foam bombs, that would be pretty cool. If you were able to just make a binary plastic foam explosion, mix it together, boom, blow up a big foam explosion, voila, you have instantaneous structures, architecture. Now, that would be a very expensive experiment. I don't have the money to waste on an experiment like that, but pretty much just mixing two chemicals together, make a big gigantic foam explosion, volcano, and nearly have instantaneous housing and shelter. Then you probably have to go in there and like empty and hollow out all the rooms and doors and stuff. It would take a bit of work to make the interior design of the architecture, but that would be pretty cool experiment if it was possible to make instantaneous housing and shelter using marine foam and making giant foam bombs. Yes, a giant foam explosion. And stuff like that. So I just wanted to make sure that, that people understand what I'm trying to tell them here. Inflatable plastic. You melt a bunch of plastic and inflate it like a balloon. So I am suggesting the possibility of building architecture a lot faster. If it was possible to get a bunch of plastic, melt it, and inflate it. Inflate a bunch of molten plastic like a balloon. Have instantaneous shelter. So I just wanted to kind of clear that up and make sure people understand what I'm trying to tell them. Thank you. Bye-bye.